Hey everybody, it's One Man, One Camera. Today is August 27th, about 4 p.m., 106 degrees Fahrenheit. Now the Mirage has just reopened today, and I thought I would take a walk down this great big highway, so to speak, and see what's going on the inside. This place opened in 1989, November 22nd, just in time for Thanksgiving. Cost was $630 million. 3,044 rooms, which at the time was the largest hotel in the world. How about that? Did y'all know that? Okay. And at the time of it being built, it was the first casino built in like the past 16 years. So it was 1989. So I guess the last one before that was in 1973. Someone check my math. All right. Let's take a look inside, see what's going on, you guys. We got this hot sun. All right. Whew. Okay. One day I'm going to ride a bike down here and give it to the valet and say, I'll see you in a little while, all right? And see what happens. You know? And there are the dolphins over there. Got the mist going so we can stay cool. Yeah. All right. And check out all the trees. It's beautiful. You know, it does smell nice in here. You know? So I'll do like this little atrium. See? And the Mirage, the Beatles love. You know, I know they can't, but it'd be nice if they had some exotic birds kind of flying around. But of course, that would cause other problems. But it would be nice. Hmm? I see a GoPro. Hmm? Oh. There is the Mirage. All right, very nice. Okay. I think Tom Colicchio's, I call him Tommy the Sea. Heritage Steak has reopened for those delicious steaks. And then, if you take a look at this other side of the indoor atrium, I mean, it does look nice, you know? It does look really nice. Really nice. So let's go this way and see how long before I get kicked out of here. All right, I'm gonna walk through to the M-Life desk in the restrooms. What's this? Little kid has his camera out. All right. So, now I've only been in here a few times actually, you know, but I do hope. Well, they got their safety glass up. I see the plexiglass around the roulette table. You know? Here's the Beatles love. Check out the colors. Yeah? Looks good. And then the Beatles shop. Hey, I like the Beatles, you guys. Hold my hand and I'll kiss you. Tomorrow I'll miss you. Remember, I'll always be true. And if I, la la la, I write home every day. It looks good. All right, what's else is going on over here? Any Mirage fans in the group today? Any Mirage fans? Now, since the first day they opened, so, you know, it is kind of on the slow side. It is a Thursday. I don't know what's going to happen this weekend as far as their bookings go, but I do hope they. Honestly, I don't know what to say. You know, a lot of folks say open everything. A lot of folks say, you know, leave it closed. A lot of folks say open some things. You know, but whatever happens is that not everyone's going to be happy with whatever is a decision will whatever decision is made. So who knows, right? Bigger minds and bigger bank accounts than mine are making the decisions, whatever. Then over here, we have, is that Costa? Costa? Costa. What do they serve here? Oh. So check this out. Welcome back. Pizza, ensalada, minimum. 2-person minimum per table. Some nice spaghetti. Mackey's a good pasta, you know? All right. And then back here is the shopping. I think the pool is open, I believe, until maybe 6 o'clock or so. I don't know, I'm just talking to you guys. I'm just yapping for no reason. Check it out. Those golden nights on those high rolling hills. And there we go. Las Vegas Raiders. Come on. And as you guys know, the autumn wind is a pirate, as they say. And for your spa and salon, there we go. This shop here, Karma Luck, there are a few of them around town. I think the Venetian has one, and I think, what do you call it? Miracle Mile Shopping Center has one. Oh, there's some more stuff. Call these cats the Twin Towers, the Las Vegas Raiders, and the Vegas Knights. Oh. Guitar fans. Guitar Zan and his guitar band. Bad Santa. Crazy movie. Oh, hey, wait a minute. And there he is, the man himself, William Shatner, Captain Kirk, Denny Crane, T.J. Hooker. I guess this is presumably Judy Garland's story. All right. Hustlers. I think I missed that movie. This is brand new. Guitars, guitars, guitars. Get your frozen yogurt. It's like a shopping center, you guys. Okay, now, this place here, now this place looks so tasty, yeah? But they're bath products. When I first saw them, I thought it was like ice cream or something, but I was misinformed. Check this out. See? Honestly, I swear I thought they were snacks when I first saw these things. Not the ducks, but everything else. I was surprised. Let's head for the secret garden. Okay. So, So, you gotta wear your mask on. The secret garden. It's a Siegfried and Roy secret garden and dolphin habitat. Operation. Masks are required. Please don't give the staff any stick about it, you guys, okay? Please. See? All very nice, yeah? Pardon me. All right. Let's go back inside. Okay. All right, so nice and quiet here. We'll go back inside and take a look-see. And here is a, I guess a frozen yogurt shop, whatever, or ice cream. And it says, it's frozen yogurt called Blizz. Never tried it, don't know good or bad. Hope someone else has over here already. Available, not available. The shopping half off. You know, I know there's been a lot of stories of these days because of the discounts given and so on and so on. A different type of crowd has arrived in Vegas. They are not tipping. How do you say it? The marijuana consumption in hotels and so on has jumped up quite a bit, and everyone's just wondering about it because it's just there's no because the prices came down, and you know how things go. Hey, I've been there, you guys. You know, I've stayed in some really down marketplaces and very dodgy, and some upscale places too. But you know, I always tipped. All right, I always tipped, even a little bit. This was crappy service. Nothing to kiss my anyway. But yeah, so there you have it. I'm just let's see how I'm gonna get out of here. I'm walking by anyway, guys, that's our tour of the Mirage. I know we all have our favorite places to go to. You know, some like the Cosmo, some like the Mirage, some like the Venetian. We all have the places we like. Yeah. So if you are coming here on a discount, hey, have fun. Don't be too rowdy, not too rowdy. You know, leave your standard tip, and please enjoy yourself. All right? Because the thing about Vegas, you're supposed to come here and have fun. You know, don't go too crazy. Don't get arrested. Don't pull a hangover. And you win, what was it, $80,000 at the tables? That was pretty funny. I finally saw parts of it. That was pretty funny. All right, so hey. So I guess Labor Day is coming soon, right? Labor Day, Memorial Day? I get confused. All right, you guys, I think that was pretty much it. I don't want to, what's that, it's about 15 minutes or so. I don't want to cause too much ruckus today. So I think I'm gonna go left and exit through the, past the check-in counter. Okay? All right. These are nice flowers here, though. I like, you guys, you know, actually, I like flowers and birds, you know? This life. And here is the hotel check-in area. This is my life. It never ends. Play good music in here. All right, you guys, that will just about do it for our walkthrough of the Mirage. So, hey, let's see, it's still early for my cheap little happy hour and get a big fat ice cube from my tendon. It'll be all right. I'm gonna make myself onto you. Myself. Oh. Excuse me, Chief. Let me get past you. Thanks. All right, you guys. That was our nice and simple. There we go. All right, you guys. That was a nice and easy, simple review, walkthrough of the Mirage. Opened up today, and looks nice, smells nice. Music is not too loud in there. Thank you for that. A little bit of shopping. The pool is open. Secret Garden's open. Looks like so. Come on down if you're in town, and leave a tip for Mirage. All right, you guys. The old pal, one man, one calendar. One man, one calendar. Who the hell is that? One man, one camera. And I'll see you guys again real soon. Au revoir.